Have you ever lifted a cast iron pan and thought it was too heavy to use? The surprising truth is that this extra weight is the secret weapon behind its incredible heat retention and decades-long lifespan. Let's look at the numbers. While a standard number 8 cast iron pan can weigh around 5 pounds, some modern versions like the Lancaster weigh only 4 pounds. That 1 pound difference feels small, but it represents a significant shift in how the metal distributes mass. This heavy-duty construction is essential for thermal mass. Unlike carbon steel, which is nimble and great for stir-frying because it changes temperature fast, cast iron's weight allows it to hold a steady, even heat perfect for searing meat or baking bread. Metal means once that pan gets hot, it acts like a thermal battery. It resists temperature drops when you add cold ingredients, ensuring your food cooks evenly without the uneven scorching you might see with lighter cookware. But durability goes beyond just cooking performance. When properly maintained, a seasoned cast iron pan is not just long-lasting, it can last for decades, or even centuries, becoming a permanent fixture in your kitchen rather than a disposable tool. You can tell if a pan is truly cast iron by that distinct heaviness in your hand. While other materials feel light and fragile, the sheer density of cast iron signals to you that this tool is built to withstand high heat and heavy use year after year. Ultimately, the weight isn't a flaw, it's a feature. That extra mass ensures consistent cooking results and protects your investment, proving that sometimes in the kitchen, heavier is definitely better. So next time you lift a heavy pan, remember that weight equals quality and longevity. What is your favorite type of cookware for searing? Let us know in the comments below.